I'm here with the top producer of dismissals lately here. She has gotten dozens of dismissals for our clients, which of course has allowed our clients to be extremely happy with the service that they've been receiving. More importantly, really making sure that they get no blemish whatsoever on their record, which is our main goal at the end of the day, especially as defense lawyers, when we're trying to figure out how can we avoid there being this huge mistake that remains on our client and will follow them along for the rest of their life, remaining on their record. So talk to us a little bit about this one case here that you just got recently dismissed. I believe it's a assault family member case, correct?
Yeah, so this was an assault family member. It was filed in 2021. It was an older case. They hired our office because previous attorney hadn't done anything for them. I made sure to look into the evidence. We had OR, we had pictures, we had body-worn camera, dash camera, and my objective was to kind of see if there was any cracks that I could lean on to push for a dismissal.
Let's back up a bit. You mentioned they had a lawyer. They weren't comfortable with that person because they hadn't seen any results. They said, you know what? I have a right to switch my lawyer because I just don't feel comfortable with the service. They made that decision, hired our firm. We took action right away. A case from 2021, we got retained in early 2023. From a case of 2021, we step in and say, hey, wait a second, what's happening here? What happened?
Correct. I talked to the DAs, got all the evidence released to our office. I looked into it. I called the defendants. I called their family. I made sure to reach out to the complaining witness. I made sure to get in front of the district attorney's office and tell the DAs, hey, you have all of these things missing. Let's make sure to get a RIP out there. For those who don't know, a RIP is something that they formally do to talk to the complaining witness. It stands for Restitution, Injury, Punishment. Complaining witness did not want to move forward, was not aware why this case was still pending, and had asked them not to call them back. So I definitely took that and made sure to run with it. I asked them for the dismissal, including all of the other things. They didn't have to support a conviction against my client.
Great.
And went forward and made sure to execute properly and got a dismissal for him.
Fantastic. Our client was extremely happy. Let me tell you why also as well. Aside from getting that good result, the dismissal, clean record whatsoever. There's nothing that says, hey, this person was found guilty for the allegation. It's also a case where he never actually had to leave the city. We represented him and he was residing in Dallas. We're based out of Houston. The case was based out of Houston as well. So we took the initiative in getting permission from the court to say, look, Your Honor, because our client resides out of the city, in Dallas specifically, can we have permission to appear in court on this person's behalf? Judge allowed it. Sure enough, we handled our business. Eugenia was successful in getting this great result for our client. Excellent, excellent, excellent. That's what you're going to get if the case is that you call our office and you have this issue. You've been dealing with it for a while. You still don't know what's happening. You don't know what's going to occur at the end of the day. The result's going to be, call us. We'll be sure and take care of you.